Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a beautiful 2025 memories recap video using CapCut. So whether you want a fast-paced trend or a slow cinematic look, I'll show you how you can edit your recap videos using only CapCut Mobile. So what you need to do is just use the CapCut templates, because usually at the end of the year there are so many CapCut creators that will create the 2025 recap video. So you can just choose the one that you like. In here you can just head into the templates menu and click on a search column at the top, and you can just use the keyword 2025. And there will be lots of options that you can choose from here. There is this one, 2025 memories, or 2025 recap, or the famous this templates in here. The 2025 comes to an end, so you can just prepare your photos or video that will wrap your 2025 in a video. So let's say I'm going to just use this one. Click on the templates, and here you can just choose use template and find the photos or videos that you want to add into the template. So let's say I'm going to just use this ones right here. I'm going to just use a random photo like this. I'm going to just use another photo, and now you can just tap on next. So CapCut will loading the effects, and just like that, now your 2025 memories video or recap video will be done in seconds. So you can just click on export at the top, then you can share it to your social media. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye.